Mount Etna, Europe's largest active volcano, towering over the Italian island of Sicily, once again demonstrated its devastating power. The massive eruption that began that morning turned the sky a deep gray, sparking widespread fear, especially among tourists in the surrounding area. The eruption began with intense Strombolian activity, accompanied by ground shaking that was felt in homes on the slopes. Loud explosions and bursts of volcanic material created a tense atmosphere. The Volcanic Ash Advisory Center, VAAC, in Toulouse immediately issued a code red alert, signaling serious airborne danger due to the massive ash cloud. Video footage that went viral on social media captured the terrifying moments. Tourists ran for their lives, some falling, as incandescent lava began to flow rapidly down the slopes and a giant ash cloud rose some 20,000 feet into the atmosphere. The sky appeared to be torn apart by the eruption column, creating an apocalyptic scene rarely witnessed in person. Emergency response teams and volcanologists were immediately deployed to closely monitor the situation. While detailed information was limited at the time of this report, ongoing monitoring indicates that volcanic activity remains unstable and could potentially increase. Amid the horror, Italian authorities emphasized that the eruption poses no threat to residential areas. Catania Airport has raised its operational alert status, although no flight cancellations have been reported. The National Institute of Geophysics and Volcanology, INGV, explained that the eruption was triggered by a partial collapse of the southeastern crater, which then triggered lava flows and explosive ash plumes. This eruption marks Mount Etna's 14th eruptive phase in recent months, confirming that the giant volcano is currently in a period of intense activity. The danger zone remains limited to the summit area, which is currently completely closed to tourists as a precaution. Sicilian President Renato Schifani reassured the public by stating that the lava flow remains contained within natural limits. At approximately 3,300 meters high and covering an area of 1,200 square kilometers, Mount Etna is not only a natural icon but also a stark reminder of the unpredictable power of the Earth. This latest eruption once again demonstrates that beneath its beauty, Mount Etna harbors a terrifying threat that could erupt at any moment. According to international media, visitors came not only from Italy but also from various other countries, with thousands gathering on hiking trails to witness the eruption that attracted global attention. They were willing to climb for the best views of the crater and the lava flowing down the mountain slopes. However, this high number of tourists also raised concerns among local authorities. The mayor of Adrano, one of the communities closest to the eruption area, issued an ordinance prohibiting anyone from directly approaching the lava flow for safety reasons. This ban was implemented to reduce the risk of accidents, as the flowing lava remains extremely hot and dangerous. As of February 15th, hiking was still permitted around the crater area according to designated routes. Authorities have determined that several hiking trails and routes remain safe for use, even during active volcanic activity. This is possible thanks to an active monitoring system implemented by authorities and volcanologists, who continuously assess the risk level on each section of the mountain slopes. Climbers are permitted to climb safe routes, but are legally required to be accompanied by a qualified mountain guide, especially if they are climbing to higher elevations near the crater. These guides serve not only as guides but also as safety monitors who have received specialized training regarding changing volcanic conditions. In previous incidents, the large number of visitors has overwhelmed local rescue services and hampered emergency vehicle access because many tourists parked their vehicles haphazardly along main hiking trails. This has led to criticism that overenthusiasm without adequate safety awareness can lead to increased risks during periods of increased volcanic activity. Mount Etna is known as a highly active volcano, frequently exhibiting Strombolian activity, lava flows, and ash column eruptions of varying intensity throughout the year. This activity is part of the mountain's volcanic cycle, which has historically attracted tourists, scientists, and photographers for its natural beauty and unique geological dynamics.